Hello beautiful, I'm J Marie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you go there and hit that subscribe button. We just hit 10K on Monday and I am so excited and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you guys who are subscribed, and I will be doing a giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out what type of giveaway you guys like. I don't know if I want to give away some hair and beauty items or maybe just cash app you guys some money. Comment down below, let me know which one you would prefer. I know I like some moolah. This video is brought to you by Sam's Beauty. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty, for collaborating with me on this video. I am in love with these locks. I created this style using Freetress's Wrap and Loc, Starla Locs, and they're Nikki Locs and 18 inches long, and they're both in the color 1B. These locks are very similar in style. The only difference is that the Starla Loc have the Wrap and Loc technology, which is perfect for individual locks because it has that loose piece of kinky hair that will wrap around the lock that gives you that perfect individual look. So for my braid pattern, I created about 35 individual boxes around a perimeter, and I did braid them about 1/3 of the way, and then I twisted the rest. And in the middle, I created one horizontal braid at the bottom in which I connected to 7 vertical braids going down. I'm taking my hook and placing it under my braid, attaching the Starla Loc, pulling it through. And once I have it through, I'm going to find the end of it and pull the ends through. Gently pulling my hair as well, making sure I have it nice and flat at the root. I'm just going to clip away the kinky hair. That way it's not in my way when I begin to wrap my hair around the lock. Now I'm going to wrap my hair into the lock, and I'm gently untwisting the lock and start to wrap my hair into the lock. Then I'm going to take the kinky hair and start to wrap that around the base of my hair a few times, making sure not to do it too much because it can be a little tight if you do it too many times. And as I'm doing this, I'm making sure I hang on to the hair because I don't want it to unravel. And once I completed wrapping the hair around the lock, I'm just going to palm roll it, and that is it, guys. And I continue to do these steps all around my perimeter. This style took a total of 3 hours to complete from start to finish, and I used 1.5 packs of the Nikki Locs in the middle, and for the Starla Locs I used a total of 3 packs. I do have a tutorial on the wrap and lock hipster lock, and I did a slightly different technique, so make sure you guys check out the cards above. I will have a link for you. Now you will come across a few of the starter locks where the kinky hair is not long enough or it's not thick enough. I just went in and snipped off the kinky hair on a few of the other locks that I had left over and went back in and just wrapped those around like I did before, and it just tucks away nice and you can't even tell that I added that extra piece in. Then I went in and crocheted the middle, making sure I leave an adequate amount of space in between because I want this install to look as natural as possible. And guys, this is the complete look. I am loving these locks. They look so natural and the density on them are perfect. These locks will just continue to look better and better as the weeks go on. Don't forget to check out the description box down below. I will have the links to Sam's Beauty, and like this video and also subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.